Assalamu alaikum everyone. All praises be to Allah. Due to Allah has given us with sound health and mind. Okay, today we will solve higher maths exercise 8.3 and problem number 12. In 12 is 5 maths 1 to 5. Okay, so in maths number 12, here is 5 maths. First maths is 2 cos square theta equals to 1 plus 2 sin square theta. Here we have to solve this equation. That means we have to find out value of theta. Okay, so write the question. Question number 1, 2 cos square theta equals to 1 plus 2 sin square theta. We have to solve this equation. That means we have to find out value of theta. Okay, so what is the condition for this one? Here is a condition to solve this equation. This condition is that theta is greater than 0 and less than pi by 2. Okay, here theta is related with pi. That means we have to find out the solution of theta, okay, within radian angle. So we start problem number 1 of 12. Everyone, please listen carefully. Here is 2 cos square theta and here is sin square theta. Okay, when we solve a quadratic equation, at that time I write a similar example like that: x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Here is a quadratic equation, and here variable will always same. But in this problem, here is a variable is cos theta and another is sin theta. This is not same. So our first duty is to make or convert the sin square theta or cos square theta in a same format. Either both will be sin square theta or both will be cos square theta or cos. So for that we can here is sin square and cos square and sin square, so we can convert anyone to sin square and cos square, because we know the formula sin square theta equals to sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Okay, so we start with cos square theta. Cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so put this value of cos square theta. So 2 cos square mean 1 minus sin square theta equal 1 plus 2 sin square theta. Okay, then next line we remove the bracket. Okay, then 2 will be multiplied with 1 and 2 sin square theta, and here we shift 2 sin square theta to left side. That will be 2 sin square theta equals to 1. Now we can add this to 1 because both is negative. Minus 4 sin square theta equals to 1 minus 2, or sine square theta equals to 2 minus 1, that will be minus 1 and divide by minus 4. Okay, then sine theta is minus minus cancel, so root 1 by 4. Okay, so sine theta equals to half. Here we have to remember, when you root 1 by 4, that will be actually plus minus 1 by 2. But in this case our condition is theta is greater than 0 and less than pi by 2. So root 1 by 4 equals to plus half, because 0 to pi by 2 in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all values of theta are positive. All positive. Okay, that's why we take here only plus half. Okay, then next step, sine theta and half. We know that sine 30 degrees half. In radian angle, we know that 30 degree equals to pi by 6. Okay, so that will be pi by 6. So theta is pi by 6. This is our solution. Okay, now we'll start question number 2. That is 2 sine squared theta minus 3 cos theta equals to 0. And also for this maths our condition is theta is greater than 0, less than pi by 2. Okay, so we have to solve this equation. For that we have to convert all variable in the same variables. Same variable. Here is the first variable is sine theta and other variable is cos theta. Here is sine squared theta. So we can convert sine squared theta to cos theta, because we know that formula sine squared theta equals to 1 minus cos squared theta. But only for cos theta there is no formula. Okay, yes, for cos theta is a formula, that is 1 by sec theta, but we need sine theta. That's why we can only convert sine squared theta. Then our next line will be, for sine squared theta we can convert 1 minus cos squared theta minus 3 cos theta equal 0. Okay, then multiply by 2, that will be 2 minus 2 cos squared theta minus 3 cos theta equal 0. Okay, and now rearrange it. Minus 2 cos squared theta minus 3 cos theta plus 2 equal 0. Then we multiply by minus 1. We get 2 cos squared theta plus 3 cos theta minus 2 equals to 0. Multiply by minus 1. Okay, why we multiply by minus 1? Just we need to convert this equation like that. Okay, so we have to factorize this equation, this expression, and left side expressions. So that will be 2 to the 4. Okay, 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, and we factorize 4 in two ways. First way is 4 1s are 4, and another is 2 2s are 4. If we add 4 plus 1, that will be 5. If we subtract 4 minus 1, that will be 3. If we add 2 plus 2, that will be 4. If we subtract 2 minus 2, that will be 0. Okay, in our middle term, here is 3, and we get 3 in this format, 4 and 1. So we can write this equation in this form: 2 cos squared theta plus 4 cos theta minus cos theta minus 2 equal 0. Okay, now take common 2 cos theta, we will get cos theta plus 2. Okay, and for third and fourth term, here is negative and there is no common term, so we have to take common 1. Then that will be cos theta minus minus plus 1 equal 0. Oh, sorry, plus 2 equal 0, or take common cos theta plus 2, cos theta plus 2, and remaining part is 2 cos theta minus 1 equal 0. Okay, so either cos theta plus 2 equal 0 or 2 cos theta minus 1 equal 0. Or so for first part, cos theta equal minus 2. This is not acceptable because cos theta is greater than equal minus 1 and less than equal plus 1. We know that for sin theta and cos theta, we know that for sin theta and cos theta, highest value for sin theta and cos theta is 1 and lowest value is minus 1. All values of sin theta and cos theta between 1 and minus 1. So this is not acceptable. Okay, so second part, or 2 cos theta minus 1 equal 1, or cos theta equals to 1 by 2, or cos theta. We know that cos 60 degree is half, and for 60 degree radian angle is pi by 3. So our solution is theta equals to pi by 3. Okay, question number 2 is complete. Answer: value of theta is pi by 3. Now we'll start Question number 3. Question number 3 is 6 sine square theta minus 11 sine theta plus 4 equals 0. Okay, and another again for this condition for this solution is theta is greater than 0 and less than pi by 2. Okay, so we similar we take the variables. Here is variables is sine theta and here is also sine theta. Okay, so we do not use to any formula to convert sine to cos or cos to sine, because as both variable is sine theta. Okay, so we directly do factorization. So how we do it? First we have to multiply 6 and 4, that will be 6 and 4, that will be 24. Okay, so 24, how we calculate it? 24 ones are 24, then 12 twos are 24, and 8 into 3 24, and 6 into 4 24. Okay, so from here if we add these two, 24 plus 1, that will be 25, and 12 plus 2, that will be 14, 8 plus 3, that will be 11, 6 plus 4, that will be 10. Here coefficient of sine theta is 11 and we get 11 by 8 plus 3. Okay, so we have to take this format. Now we can write 6 sine square theta minus 8 sine theta minus 3 sine theta plus 4 equal 0. Okay, so we take common, this common 6 between 6 and 8 is 2, because both 6 and 8 is even, and sine theta, then that will be 3 sine theta minus 4. Okay, then for third and fourth term, here is minus, and there is no common values between 3 sine theta and 4, so you have to take 1, that will be 3 sine theta minus 4 equal 0, or 3 sine theta minus 4 into 2 sine theta minus 1 equal 0. Or so either 3 sine theta minus 4 equal 0, or 3 sine theta equals to 4, or sine theta equals to 4 by 3. Here we cannot accept this value, because 4 by 3, this is 1.33. In question number 2 we already learned that sine theta and cos theta, values of sine theta and cos theta greater than equal -1 and less than equal +1. This is greater than +1, so this is not . not acceptable, because sine theta is greater than equal minus 1 less than equal plus 1. Okay, for second part, or 2 sine theta minus 1 equals to 0, or 2 sine theta equals to 1, or sine theta equals to half. Okay, so what is the value for what angle sine theta is half? We know that sine 30 degree, for 30 degree your radian angle is pi by 6. Okay, so sine pi by 6 equals to half, and our solution theta is equal pi by 6. So for this problem our solution is pi by 6. Okay, now we will start question number 4. In this question you have to solve tan theta plus cot theta equals to 4 by root 3. We have to solve this equation. Here tan theta and cot theta are different variable, so you have to convert these two in same variable, in same format. Okay, so what we can do, we know that cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta, so we can use this formula. Cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta equal 4 by root 3. Okay, so here is a fraction, so we have to do, when we get a fraction always we have to do addition or subtraction. So here is LCM is tan theta, and denominator, and for first term denominator is 1, so we have to multiply tan theta into tan theta, so that will be tan square theta plus denominators are same, that will be 1 equal 4 by root 3. Then we have to do cross multiplication, that is root 3 into tan square theta plus 1 equals to 4 tan theta. Okay, then we have to remove this bracket, that will be root 3 tan square theta plus root 3 minus 4 tan theta equal 0. Then rearrange this equation, root 3 tan square theta minus 4 tan theta plus root 3 equals 0. Now we have to factorize this left side. Okay, so what is the way to factorize any equation, any expression? First we have to multiply these two, root 3 into root 3 equals to 3. Then we can write 3 in only one way, 3 ones are 3, and if we add this to 1, 3 plus 1, that will be 4. Okay, so we get the number, that will be root 3 tan square theta minus 3 tan theta, because a number is 3 and another number is 1, minus tan theta plus root 3 equal 0. Okay, or we can take common root 3, because 3 equal root 3 into root 3, so and tan theta, So we get tan theta minus, we take common a root 3, so here will be another root 3 according to this one. Okay, and for third and fourth term we take common 1 minus 1, then we'll get tan theta minus root 3 equal 0. Then we'll get tan theta minus root 3 and root 3 tan theta minus 1 equal 0. Okay, so either tan theta minus root 3 equal 0 or tan theta equals to root 3 or tan theta equal tan 60 degree. We know that tan 60 degree equals to root 3, and in radian angle 60 degree equals to pi by 3, so tan pi by 3. Then we get a solution theta equals to pi by 3. And here will be another solution, or root 3 tan theta minus 1 equals 0 or root 3 tan theta equals to 1 or tan theta equals to 1 by root 3. And we know that tan 30 degree equals to 1 by root 3, so in radian we know that 30 degree equal pi by 6, pi by 6. Okay, so we get another solution, another value for theta, that is pi by 6. So our answer will be pi by 3, pi by 6 and pi by 3. Now last one, question number 5 of 12, that is 2 sine square theta plus 3 cos theta equals to 3. This problem is similar to question number 2. Okay, so here is two types of variable, one is sine theta and another is cos theta. So we have to convert these two variable in same format. Okay, either both will be sine square theta or sine theta, or both will be cos theta. So we do not convert this cos theta because there is no square. For cos theta we have no formula, but for sine square theta we have a formula, that is 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so we can convert this 2 sine square theta to 2 into minus 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, plus, and middle term, second term is 2 cos theta and equal 3. Okay, so we multiply by 2, remove the bracket, that will be 2 1s are 2 minus 2 cos square theta plus 3 cos theta minus 3 equal 0. Okay, or now rearrange this equation, 2 cos square minus 2 cos square theta plus 3 cos theta, 2 minus 3, that will be minus 1 equal 0. Multiply by minus 1, then we will get 2 cos square theta minus 3 cos theta plus 1 equal 0. Multiply by minus 1. Okay, then we have to do factorization because our variables are in same format, all are in cos theta. So we have to multiply 1 and 2. We'll get 2 into 1 equals to 2, and we factorize 2 only in a format 2 ones are 2, and this 2 plus 1 equal 3. We get the middle coefficient. Then that will be 2 cos square theta minus 2 cos theta minus cos theta plus 1 equals 0. And our next line will be we have to common from first and second term, that is 2 cos theta, and we get cos theta minus 1. For third and fourth term, here is no common term, so we have to take common 1, and here is minus, so we put here minus 1. That will be cos theta plus minus 1 equal 0. Okay, then we take common cos theta minus 1, and remaining part is 2 cos theta minus 1 equal 0. So either cos theta minus 1 equal 0 or cos theta equal 1 or cos 0 degree is 1. So our resulting radian format, so we do not use here degree. Okay, so we only use 0, so theta equals to 0. Or for second part, 2 cos theta minus 1 equals to 0, or 2 cos theta equals to 1, or cos theta equals to half. So we get cos theta equals to cos 60 degree, that means pi by 3. We know that cos 60 degree equals to half, so theta equals to pi by 3. Okay, so again we so the question, for this one, our condition is theta is greater than 0, less than pi by 2. Okay, so this one is not acceptable. Okay, why is not acceptable? It's not because theta is greater than 0, less than pi by 2. So our answer will be pi by 3. Okay, so we solve 5 maths from 12 of exercise 8.3. Please practice more and more, and stay home and pray for us, pray for everyone. Thank you, everyone.